Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today's video is a nice, cozy, relaxing clean with me. I love doing this type of video because I absolutely love having a cozy home. So to begin with, I'm just going to write my list just so I know what I need to get done today so I don't forget anything. And then I'm going to head upstairs, sorting out the bedroom, giving it a good tidy, dust, hoover, and just getting it looking a lot more put together. And then I'm also going to be going into the laundry room, doing some laundry before we can head downstairs. So even though the nights have definitely got colder here, we're still using the fan every single night. We're a little bit obsessed with it and we just can't sleep without it now. But I'm just going to move that out to give myself a little bit more room to do the dusting. And this cabinet here is the worst. I don't know why, but within a few hours it is completely dusty again. So I do have to make sure that I dust this off every day just to keep it looking nice and fresh. I'm then going to go in with my Vax Blade Hoover, and this is definitely one of my favourite things to do is hoovering. I absolutely love it. I think it can really transform a room and just make everywhere feel super fresh. And having the cordless hoover has made my life so much better. It's so much easier. So if you don't have a cordless hoover, I definitely do recommend it. Once I've done all that, I can then go in with my Gold Touch spray and just freshen everything up because it smells beautiful before moving in to the laundry room to get all of this ironed and put away.
Falling down. I see your face on all of the pages in the scrapbook of my mind. To put it down for a while takes ages. Then I'm falling down, down, I'm falling down. I'm thinking of you every day, a million times, hoping you hear me. Tell me you do. Every day, a million times, just when I'm thinking of you. You grow on me with every heartbeat. I really hate to wave goodbye. I know it's crazy, but I can't help it. When I'm falling down, down, I'm falling down. I'm thinking of you every day, a million times, hoping you hear me. Tell me you do. Every day, a million times, just when I'm thinking of you. I'm thinking of you
had finished upstairs and made it super cozy and nice, fresh and clean, it's time to move downstairs and do the same down here. And as you can see, it's not too messy down here today, so I don't have to do too much cleaning. I can mainly focus on getting it nice and cozy and fresh for the day.
Why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this. 'Cause now I dream about you. I was probably too drunk, it's blurry, but I've got the image of you running circles in my mind right now. And it could fade away, but it probably won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll drown, but what can I do? And it would be alright to let me down. Rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why we try to fight it. Every time that we touch, the room caught on fire. We could blame it on the wine, but we know that we will both be lying. I wish I didn't want you. I was doing just fine, the way that it was. Then you hand me these emotions, didn't want them, but I guess then I'm stuck.
I really hope you're enjoying today's video so far and it's given you all the motivation that you came looking for. If it is, please do go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you here. And throughout December, I am going to be uploading Monday through Friday every single week to give you lots of cleaning motivation, yummy recipe ideas and general homemaking videos. So I would love for you to be part of my little YouTube family and come and join us for those videos every Monday through Friday just by subscribing with the subscribe button down below. So now I'm going to go ahead and sort out the kitchen, and the kitchen is normally a room I want to get sorted first thing in the morning, but as you can see it isn't messy. I've just got some washing up to do and wipe down the sides and just the general freshen up for the day. So I thought I'd leave this till last while I cracked on with the rest of the house, but now it's time to do the washing up that was left and just sort out the mess that I made this morning, wipe down the sides and just make it nice and fresh.
You as you drive, do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we?
So it's now time for the finishing touches just to get the house smelling beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this candle because as you can see there's not a lot left to it. I can't wait to top up on my Christmas scented candles this year. But for now I'm going to finish off this one, and I'm also going to pop some fabric softener into a bottle diluted with water and go throughout the living room spraying the curtains and sofa and just making everything super fresh. I love doing this. It really does make the whole downstairs smell beautiful.
To wake you up.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope that you have enjoyed it and you found all the motivation that you came looking for today. Do go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you back here in the next one.